Well done, guys. You made it pretty much to the end of this e-course right here. And the last video is all about how to maintain your hair system, how to make sure that your hair system that you've purchased lasts as long as possible. Now, a hair system is designed to last you a very, very, very long time, and it's made with quality products. Of course, hair systems are something that can decay with time, and you will eventually need to purchase another one. The duration which your hair system lasts is largely up to you. Now, different types of bases and hair systems last different durations. You'll find that a ultra thin skin poly is probably gonna last you a lot shorter than a monofilament hair system. When we talked about the durability of different hair systems, we gave them a number on a 1 to 10 scale for how durable they are. So that's something that you definitely want to consider as you purchase your hair system, and consider how long it should really last. That being said, there's a lot of things that you can do to make your hair system last longer and make sure that you are getting the most value out of your money spent. So in this video right here, we're gonna talk about some of the things that actually shorten the lifespan of your hair system. Now, the first thing we're gonna talk about is friction. Friction is caused when two things are rubbing together. Now, when you think about friction and hair systems, there's a primary one that comes to mind, and that's actually sleep. When you are sleeping, make sure that you do not go to sleep with a wet hair system. If you've just gotten out of the shower, that is something that you're gonna wanna dry. Might be a good opportunity to blow dry your unit with cool hair if that's the case. A wet hair system with friction as you're sleeping can mat the unit. It can also cause tangles and a lot of hair loss over the long run, which can impact the performance of your hair system. Friction can also occur with hats. It can occur with swimming caps, and it can occur with helmets. It can occur with a lot of different things, so you'll want to limit your exposure to those. Now, if you wear a hat once every 2 weeks because it's raining outside and you don't feel like getting wet, is it going to kill your system? No, it's not going to. But if you're constantly exposing your hair system to environments like that, say you play American football, right? And you have your head in a helmet and you're getting bashed around, that might shorten the lifespan of your hair system. So it's something to keep notice of.